Hello students, welcome to 7th Maths class. In our last two sessions, we have started chapter number 5, Operations on Rational Numbers. From that we have covered addition of rational numbers, subtraction of rational numbers, multiplication of rational numbers and division of rational numbers. These operations are very much important as compared to your higher studies also. These are the basic things which you must know. So we will focus on these operations once again with extra examples. So first is addition of rational numbers. First example is 4 divided by 5 plus 6 divided by 7. This you can do with cross multiplication. 4 into 7 plus sign 5 into 6 whole divided by 5 into 7. So 4 into 7 is 28, 6 into 5 is 30 and 5 into 7 is 35. So 28 plus 30 it will be 58, 35 as it is. Second question is 11 divided by 2 plus 12 divided by 4. Here also you can go for cross multiplication. Here different thing you can do is, if you compare denominators, here denominator is 2 and here denominator is 4. So here we can make this denominator 4. How we can do that? Simply if we will multiply 2 by 2, then it will be 4. 2 into 2 4. So we can make the denominator same. So for this number just we will multiply by 2. So 2 into 2. As we are multiplying in denominator, we have to multiply in numerator also. So 11 into 2 also. 11 into 2 is 22 and 2 into 2 is 4. Now you can see denominators are same. It is 4. So just we will take 4 common denominator and addition of numerators we will do. 22 plus 12, that is 34. 22 plus 12 is 34 and 4 as it is. Next example is 7 plus 1 upon 8. I told for every number, if anything is not present in denominator, there must be always 1. But we are not writing 1, just simply we are writing number. So here is 7, means in the denominator of this number 1 is present. So we can write this 7 as 7 divided by 1 plus 1 upon 8. Cross multiplication we forgo for that. 7 into 8 plus 1 into 1 whole divided by 1 into 8. 7 into 8 is 56, 1 into 1 is 1 and 8 into 1 is 8. So 56 plus 1, 57 and 8 as it is. Next example is 13 divided by 15 plus 7 divided by 20. These two numbers 15 and 20 are somewhat bigger. So we will find the LCM of these numbers 15, 20. So both numbers are divisible by 5. 15, for that we will take 3 because 5 3s are 15. And for 20, here we will take 4 because 5 4s are 20. So we will multiply all these numbers. So LCM is 5 into 3 into 4. It will be 60. So now here for both the numbers we can make denominator 60. How to make that? First number we will consider just. First number is 13 into 15. So 15 into 4 is 60. As we are multiplying by 4 here in denominator, 15 into 4 it should be 60. So we have to multiply by here 4 only. So upside also we will multiply by 4. 13 into 4, that is 52, and 15 into 4 is 60. So we made this denominator 60. Now for second number also we will see how to make this denominator 60. 7 divided by 20, it will be 20 into 3, it gives 60. So as here we have multiplied by 3, upside also we have to multiply by 3. So 20 into 3 is 60 and 7 into 3 is 21. So these two new numbers we got from the previous numbers, who is having common denominator as 60. So it will become 52 divided by 60 plus 21 divided by 60 is equal to 52 plus 21 divided by 60. So it will be 73 divided by 60. Next is subtraction of rational numbers. First is 12 divided by 5 minus 8 divided by 3. Cross multiplication we will go for that. 12 into 3 minus 5 into 8. This whole divided by 5 into 3. So 12 into 3 is 36 minus 8 into 5 is 40. Whole divided by 15. So 36 minus 40, that will be minus 4. Whole divided by 15. Next is 2 divided by 3 minus 4 divided by 5. Cross multiplication we will do. 2 into 5 minus 3 into 4 whole divided by 3 into 5. So 2 into 5 is 10, 4 into 3 is 12 and 3 into 5 is 15. So 10 minus 12 is minus 2 divided by 15. Next example is 13 divided by 26 minus 12 divided by 24. If you will see here, 13 to the is 26 and 12 to the is 4. So we can reduce these numbers. 13 ones are 13, 13 to the 26. 12 ones are 12, 12 to the 24. So this number will become 1, 2 as 1 divided by 2. And here is remaining 1 and 2, means this number will become 1 divided by 2. So 1 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 2. Simply its answer will be 0. But if you want to check from cross multiplication, that also you can do. 2 into 1 minus 2 into 1 whole divided by 2 into 2. That will be 2 minus 2 divided by 4. So 0 divided by 4, answer will be 0. Next is multiplication of rational numbers. First example is 10 divided by 6 into 3 divided by 4. So for multiplication, simply numerator and denominator we are multiplying. So 10 into minus 3 divided by 6 into 4. 10 into minus 3 is minus 30 and 6 into 4 is 24. Next example is minus 21 into 5 whole divided by 6 into 3. 3 into 2. So 21 into 5, that will be minus 105 and 3 into 2 is 6. Now division of rational numbers. First example is 18 divided by 4. This number is divided by 3 divided by 2. So first number we are writing as it is. Division sign is changed by multiplication, and second number's multiplicative inverse, means the number should be inverted. Numerator will go in denominator and denominator will go in numerator along with signs. So this number 3 by 2 will become 2 by 3. Now just multiply numerator, denominator. 18 into 2 and 4 into 3. So 18 into 2 is 36 and 4 into 3 is 12. This number we can reduce. 12 3s is 36. So 12 ones are 12, 12 3s are 36. So it will become 3 by 1, that is simply 3. Next example is 7 divided by 2 whole divided by 4 divided by 5. So first number as it is 7 divided by 2, division change by multiplication and multiplicative inverse of second, that will be 5 by 4. Now numerator, denominator. 7 into 5 whole divided by 2 into 4. 7 5s are 35 and 4 2s are 8. So in this way You have to cover the example solved by me in your notebook and also complete the exercise 22 based on operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division.